Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.